Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Check your eligibility for the free trial. Apple TV Plus offers free trials to new subscribers and existing customers who haven't used the offer recently. Make sure you have a valid Apple ID and that your account is in good standing. You'll also want to verify that you're in a supported country where the promotion is active. Step 2. Visit the Apple TV Plus website or open the Apple TV app on your device. You can access this through your web browser at apple.com or download the app if you don't already have it installed. The app is available on iPhones, iPads, Apple TVs, Mac computers, and many smart TVs. Step 3. Navigate to the Sign Up or Subscribe section and look for the free trial offer. During the sign-up process, you should see the promotional offer displayed prominently. It will show you the free month benefit before any payment is required. Step 4. Enter your Apple ID credentials or create a new account if needed. You'll need to sign in with your Apple ID to activate the trial. Make sure to use the correct password and verify any two-factor authentication if prompted. Step 5. Complete the sign-up process and activate your free month. Once you've confirmed your details and accepted the terms, your free trial should begin immediately. You'll have full access to all Apple TV Plus content for the entire month without being charged.